In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fit text within a single cell in Excel. If you've ever typed a long sentence in Excel and watched it spill across neighboring cells or get cut off, this quick technique will keep everything neatly contained and easy to read. It works in the desktop app and the web version, and the button you need is in the same general spot. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make your text stay inside one cell without changing the overall layout of your sheet. Start by clicking the cell that holds the text you want to fit. Make sure it's the exact cell you want to format, and that you're not accidentally in edit mode. You'll know you're ready when you see the highlighting around the cell, and the selection border is active. This tells Excel, apply the next formatting change to this specific place. If you have other cells to fix later, you can repeat the same action after you finish with this one. Next, click Wrap Text. You'll find this on the Home tab in the Alignment section. It looks like an icon with lines bending to a new row. The moment you click Wrap Text, Excel automatically breaks the long line into multiple lines within that same cell. The row usually grows taller to make room, while the column width stays the same. The result is clean, readable content that doesn't spill over or overlap your other data. A few things to keep in mind as you use Wrap Text. This feature does not merge cells or move your data. It simply displays it on multiple lines inside the single cell you selected. That means your formulas, sorting, and filtering all continue to work as expected. If you ever change your mind, clicking Wrap Text again toggles it off and returns the text to a single line. Also, if a row is previously set to a fixed height, you might not see all wrapped lines even though the feature is on. That's simply because the row can't expand automatically in that scenario. Wrap Text is especially helpful for headers, comments, addresses, or any notes you want to keep attached to one record. It also makes printed pages neater because the text stays in its column and doesn't collide with neighboring cells. And that's all there is to it. Click the cell, then click Wrap Text. Use this anytime you want your content to stay visible, tidy, and in a single place. Thanks for watching, and try it on a few cells to see how much cleaner your sheets look.